It's Monday, about 10 o'clock. Figures it's going to be a good knife day. And maybe a day for some detecting. We're on our way to drop off some knives. And we're on our way to pick up 2 sets of knives from a restaurant. One of them we've done several times. One of them is a new account. I don't know how many or what they even look like. And then I talked to the Mumbles man. The tide's low about 1, so I'm hoping to get him to spin this afternoon. The weather is beautiful. It's pretty nice and warm. I don't know. We'll have to see how that goes in a few minutes. I got the firecracker with me. He's over here taking a break. And we're inbound. I'll get back to you in a bit. Well, my second restaurant people were not home. This is the first restaurant. These are by far the nicest restaurant knives I ever do for anyone. They're all Shuns, except for 2. One's a little Mercer, and one is a fancy Bob Kramer. And we put a new handle on this one about a year ago. Handle came off of it, got too close to the fire. This is a nice knife right here, boys. Bob Kramer. Take your breath away if you had to buy it. Most of these will take your breath away too if you had to buy them. Especially that Tiquito right there. It's a pleasure working with nice knives. Makes your job so much nicer, and they get so much sharper and stay sharper longer. I get back to you. Firecrackers said I'm tired of riding. I told you. You wouldn't believe me. The dark side. We're headed to someplace on the bay. I'm getting ready to head to the Mumbles man's house right now. Stand by. I'll give you an update as we knock along here down the road. Coming up in January the 25th. Actually, the event starts on the 23rd and lasts till February the 1st. 9-day event. It's been around for a long time, called the Derby City Classics. Now, you pool players out there, you know what that is. I'm going for the one pocket part of it as a spectator. January the 25th through the 29th at Caesars Casino in Elizabeth, Indiana. The 2026 Derby City Classic. Hundreds of finest pool players in the world are going to be there. They're there every year, though. This is just my first appearance ever. Been wanting to go for 20 years. I figured, what the hell? I might as well go while I can go. You know how that is. Anyway, I'll keep you posted on that part of it. I'm flying American Airlines from Norfolk to Knoxville. No, Charlotte to Knoxville. That's where you have to fly into. And you get a cab or Uber or some damn thing to the casino. Rooms are, well, you get a block of rooms. The hotel, Derby City Classic has rooms set aside for the tournament. They're not too expensive. In fact, they're really reasonable just for this event. If you use a special code they give you. Anyway, that's where we'll be in January. Derby City Classics. Might be the best time I ever had. Stand by. Okay. Well, let's be the path to the yellow metal. We shall see. A spin on the bay with the Mumbles man. October the maybe 7th, Monday, whatever day that is. Denny just found this penny. Check it out. It's been here for about 2 weeks.
Tell me that ain't been out there a long time.
First gray matter. 2 ounces of gray matter. I was excited for a second. Just for a second. An old ticket. I found 2 earrings so far and a sinker. Denny's found 2 pennies, 3 pennies, and a silver earring. A jumpy 77. Now it's jumped to 83. Now it's a steady 83. Wherever it is, it's China. Come out of there. We might have it. Ah, key. Two keys. Okay. Stand by. Oh, we got another 77. And we got it on the first scoop. It was a piece of damn junk. Looks like a melted beer can or something. A 74 this time. Jumpy though, I don't like it. Yeah, it's just energies. All this is practice. That's probably it right there. Jumpy 76, 93, 94. One scoop off of it. We got it. Oh, automobile. A fancy automobile. think this is more junk. $55, $65. I don't see no 14-karat gold rings in there. I don't see anything in there. I can get a reading now. Back up a little bit. Okay, more practice. We got a solid 60. Solid's gold too, boy. Yes, sirree. A gold pull tab. You turkey, you. $94. $89 now. Uh-oh, now it's 99. I don't think I like it. Now it's solid 94. I'll need a passport to get back. Come out of there, Gladys. Stand by a minute. It's too big for a quarter. Oh, it's a dollar coin. Susan B. Anthony or one of them guys. Ooh. We got $1.20 now. What a hot goose. And a gold pull tab, right? 49. Sometimes 49 can be good. But in this case, it's unusual. It's like a battery pack or something. Okay. Well, here's a nut, my nut. Dollar coin, 3 dimes, 2 pieces of gray matter, and a car. That's the best of it. I hope to see you tomorrow someplace. For a spin. But not in the land of nada. I saved the best for last. As I was getting ready to leave the Mumbles man's house, Mumbles man said, "Hey, don't shut your trunk up yet. I got something for you." He gave us a whole case of wine. He calls it wines from all over the world. I don't know what that means, other than curated wine. I can't hardly pick it up. Weighs 500 pounds. 24 bottles. Good Googa Mooga. The best of it.